Hey, I'm Jay Thomas and welcome to this week's edition of Hot Rod Hangout. We're looking at what's new at Rod's Hot Rods on Faithful Avenue, but we're in the alley shop today.
That's what we call it.
That's what we call it, yeah.
We're trying to think of a better name, but we just keep calling it that, so that's what it is.
It's kind of one of those funny buildings that is only on an alley. It has an address, but you can only get here from a back alley. It's like in the middle of a block, actually, of buildings.
Weird.
Yeah, it's our cool hangout. Anyways, that's why you'll see our other set of barrel chairs here from our friend Justin, who did the set at the main showroom, which you saw in a video a couple weeks ago. And he made us a cool set from our carts.
Cool. So many cars on this side we haven't seen, and Kevin's working on this side, getting the other ones clean, and there's lots going on. So we thought we'd come over here. We got a new addition we got to meet today too. Exactly.
So let's, without further ado, we're going to head towards the back shop here.
Right on.
Go right through here. This is always such a cool view when you see this all.
Just one sec here.
Yeah.
Kendra.
Look at this. Oh, I got.
Should be right with you.
Here we go.
Okay, well, the first one we talked about, this '68 Camaro.
Yeah.
You got to kind of. There's lots of people around here. There's other customers going to be walking through, so just so you know.
And everything here is under construction, right? I mean, like this is where we're doing the work, and
there's nothing done in here.
But it might not be clean or ready to go, but we thought we'd give you a bird's eye view, anyways.
We'll redo all the cars when they're all done, but we're just going to do just a quick walk around.
So this is a
'68 Camaro RS.
Yeah.
One of the rarest ones I've ever seen. This
because
has got a bench seat, column shift.
Bench seat, column shifter.
Factory air conditioning.
Right there, look at that. Factory AC built in.
That Kenny got working today. The AC works.
Yeah. Bucket seat, or not bucket seats, it's bench, but yeah.
Blows like it should.
327. Yeah, all the parts and pieces are there. This is really nice, and
hideaway lights, which
is part of this package, RS, right?
Yep. Yeah. But normally these are vacuum.
Yep.
And they never work well. So what we've done, we've ordered the new Detroit Speed kit to make them all like electric, and Josh is doing that today.
Cool.
And now we got the AC working, just doing the headlights, and then I think it's done.
Yeah.
Like gorgeous car.
Yeah.
But we'll show you more later.
But it is beautiful. Look at how nice that is. Rally Sport on the side, maroon color.
Did you ever see the?
No, under the sheet there. We're gonna leave.
Peek?
We're gonna no. That's enough for them right there.
Okay, that's
little sneak peek you see under the sheet there of a white wall.
New car show show car coming up.
That's gonna debut at Dragon. Something really cool to look forward to.
Oh, that looks not good. That's our new guy, Nick.
He's covered in grease.
Covered in ATF.
Covered in ATF.
Fluid, yeah.
There he is.
It's probably a cleaner way to do that, but
Probably.
Go ahead.
So anyways, this is Nick, and he's our new tech here, right?
Yeah, he started a couple weeks ago, and usually not that dirty, but.
Oh, I don't know. I've seen him. He's usually this dirty.
Yeah, never mind.
He is Ken's son, by the way. So,
yes.
so he is that dirty, in more ways than one.
And he doesn't swear as much, though. I found.
Oh, I don't know. I think you could have a competition.
Just when you're not here.
Yeah.
Just while we're exactly. This is a car that Ken's been restoring for a customer, which
just about done.
Just about done. It's really
Turned out
cool.
Really wicked.
So what? 56.
56 Merc.
Phaeton. Look at that.
Phaeton custom.
And you did all this interior in here, right, Ken? Look at that.
Headliner and everything.
Beautiful. Just you just never see these cars. They're never around. It's a 4-door, which is kind of different.
Canadian car.
Canadian car.
Yeah.
Cool.
Just about done. He's only got a couple more things to get done on it.
Now Nick is working on one that we actually just got
last night.
The
end of the day.
This is one of those ones, this happens to us once in a while. Somebody pulls up with a vehicle and says, "I'm here to sell a car."
He bought it like 5 years ago. It sat in his garage the whole time. He never even drove it. So it was just time for it to go. And
look at these. Yeah, right on. Nice truck. 73 Chevy.
Yeah, C10 long box.
That's first year square body.
First year square body, that's right.
This is like all new panels, like the chassis. They even have stickers on the inner wheel wells.
That's right, yeah. Like you can see right up there. Yeah. So it's like a brand new build. It's pretty cool.
But we'll feature it later.
Okay, you want to go to the green machine over there right now?
No,
or
we'll
not?
do that last.
You want to do that last? Okay. Yeah. We're going through here. Whoa, we got major cart time. Yeah, I know.
This one just sold, the black one.
Doing some work in here. Got another new addition.
I think we need about another 6 carts.
Really? This is sold.
We're just putting a spoiler on it, and then it's going to be gone.
Right. This is something that we got to get working on too.
We just got it in. It's dirty because when it was dropped off, it was kind of mucky out. It's cold today, but
79
Z28. I believe it's T-top.
Yeah, it is.
T-tops. This is a factory 4-speed.
Cool.
And it's got a big block with a tunnel ram, dual quads.
Awesome.
This is the mullet machine, the big 295 50s that stick way out.
Yeah, I think that's what even I labeled it as on our website was the mullet machine.
Mullet machine, yeah.
Was that?
Super popular now. The Gen 1s are almost out of reach now, so
Look at those.
these Gen 2s are super popular. So
Yeah, nice car.
we'll get it cleaned up and
We got some work to do to it still. This is a customer car. So it's just here getting work done to it, which is cool.
interior work, I think.
This next one though, I love these. Man, I love these.
62 T-Bird. We're just, we put it through the shop. We've got everything done. The only thing it was needing that we haven't done yet, it needed ball joints.
Now there's some cars that we work on that we can go to Sutherland Automotive, we can call up our friends at WSSL, we can, there's lots of places in town that supplies with parts. But believe it or not, ball joints are not easy to get
For this car.
for this car.
So we had to get them from an actual T-Bird specialist out of BC.
And that's why
And
we're waiting because
They just came in.
There you go.
They just came in now. So that's the only thing left on this car is do the ball joints, then we just do a nice cleanup.
There's
and
some
it's
cool
done.
stuff I just got to mention before we go. Obviously, we haven't got it clean yet, but this is a 390 car with, I love these door
Yeah,
handles.
built in on the
Are
chrome.
so cool. Swing away steering wheel, and that right there, my friends, is factory air conditioning. So it's a factory AC car with the big V8,
This is nice too.
and I mean, look how it's finished. Again, you got to
haven't
excuse the
cleaned it.
parts. It's not cleaned yet, but look at how nice that is.
Yeah.
This is a good find. I'm excited about this one.
Nice color, good interior.
These drive nice too. They're fun to drive.
I've said it lots before. This is the best bang for the buck in an old classic car, hands down.
Yep, totally.
I don't even know how to open the hood on these. Well, should we do later?
Oh yeah, you can pull it open. Sure, it's really nice under there. Really nice. I mean, like barely needs cleaning.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Air conditioning,
Air
power
conditioning, yeah.
brakes, power steering probably somewhere in here.
Right there.
Oh yeah, right here. Sorry. Yep. The old
Windshield wiper bag.
bag.
Cool.
Nice. Really nice. That's gonna make a good car. And it's for the era, that pale yellow is
That's common.
that's
yeah.
common, right? That was a popular color choice back then.
I think a nice set of wires would really step up the game on this one.
Yeah. Yeah, if I can say the only thing those are the right hubcaps,
Got a
but
nice set of Kelsey Hayes wires. would be-
they're kind of the poverty caps on this one right now.
and
so.
rear skirts would go good.
Yeah, skirts look really good on this car.
Yeah.
They really do. Okay, this one is a previous sold car of ours
Yep.
that's actually just here getting air conditioning installed into it right now. It's in the process.
We had Darby do it, and it was when he had time. I didn't realize it was going to be like 5 months, Darby, but but he's on the last part of it now. So
there's a shot.
kind of a dig, eh?
Yeah.
You want to get it done?
Yeah. How about Mr. Orange right here?
Well, this is a customer's car. We're not sure if we're going to be able to at some point sell it for him. That's what I'm working towards. This is one of the rarest Mopars that I've ever seen here. 1970 Challenger RT SE. This is a factory V code 446 pack.
Yeah, some really rare stuff.
This is more of a survivor car. This is not a restored car.
Yeah.
Survivor.
I learned that, I mean, look at this too. Imagine how many guys, I said this to somebody, when they bought a car like this, maybe they got it secondhand, like back in the 70s, they thought, oh, is that ever ugly? And they ripped these off and chucked
Imagine
them
how
in,
rare that is.
right, to actually have it there. And then apparently this
The SE.
window, yeah.
The SE has the smaller window.
So there's a factory kit that fills in part of the roof that's welded in. Underneath that, I bet you all the SEs then must have had a vinyl top.
Probably, yeah.
Because if you have a patch,
Every one that I've ever had is a vinyl top.
yeah. So smaller opera window.
The other similar, not the same, but similar in the Superbirds and the Daytonas, they had that smaller window with that plug in there too.
Yep.
It's kind of an oddity, but very cool car.
This is a sold one behind you right here.
Yep. This one's sold.
Beautiful.
This is actually entered into the Majestics car show, so people will see
get
it down there.
closer up look there. That's good. Our Dusty Rose 49 Ford is sold.
We had to modify the seat, which we got done.
Yep.
A couple of minor things we got to finish up, and this one's out the door.
Exactly.
T-Bird, this is going to be wicked cool.
57 T-Bird.
A couple more things to do. Ken's already got a lot of the rubbers and a lot of the little stuff done.
Yeah, like we got, actually look, you can, yeah, right there.
We got a new dash for it to put in.
It's coming in.
Needs a good cleaning and a polish, and that's about it.
Some work, yeah. Everything else it's just sitting here waiting. We just
Runs
got
like a top. This
man,
thing
we got
runs
lots of
awesome.
stuff in the shop, so much to deal with, and so it's always kind of in order.
That's kind of a sneak peek of what's
Yeah, I know. I think we got to go outside.
Oh, there's something else out there.
Yeah, we got to walk back.
Again, we're going to have a better look at all this stuff when it gets to the other side.
Totally.
This one's sold. This is
Our
leaving
square
Saturday,
body.
I
That's
think.
the 5-speed or 3-speed, I should say. They're right here. Look at this big, beautiful girl. I had the chance to drive this around just a little bit. This is such a cool old wagon. It's largely original, like with the paint. Some of the paint has been redone. There's been a little bit of body work to it. But, I mean, this is like going back in time. If you grew up in like the 70s or maybe even to the 80s, you probably rode around one of these.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Cool little Fury 3 wagon that we're going to get back into the showroom and get
The
cleaned
other
up.
Kingswood wagon sold too.
Yeah, our big Kingswood over
There's
there.
a little Roadrunner. We won't look at it today, but there's a cool car there that I'm going to be selling. It's a 71 Roadrunner, air grabber, factory 4-speed, 383.
Really? Huh. It is. It was nice yesterday, and it is miserably cold today. So we're going to go
We're
inside.
supposed to be getting some more snow.
Oh, I want spring. That's enough of that. Okay.
We got one more.
We do have one more.
We're just going to do like a buzz the tower. We're not going to spend much time looking at it.
Okay. And we'll go back up to the.
Going to make some changes to it.
Work our way through here.
Got some more trade shows coming up for the carts.
We do have another trade show coming up. Yeah, we're going to be at Gardenscape next weekend.
No,
actually.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
The
Oh, 2
28th,
weeks?
28th
Okay.
weekend.
Here it comes. Here it comes. You ready?
Buzz the tower.
Buzz in the tower.
Buzz the tower.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Holy.
There we go.
Yep. That's what you think it is. In the color you think it is.
Just trying the wheels, but we'll see what's going to happen.
Okay.
We won't show too much of that one.
More details to come.
I won't even tell you what year it is, because if you know, you know.
You should be able to figure it out.
Yeah.
Okay, what's coming up? What are we
We
looking
had some
forward
stuff on
to?
the other side, but we had to pick and choose which side that we're going to do today. So we got a 66 Charger to show next week. It's already over there.
Kevin was doing it's black.
Yeah, you did
And did a phenomenal job polishing
I think
it.
he's already spent 13 hours on it, he just said.
And it looks like a completely different car from when it rolled in the door.
Yeah. 62 Bel Air 4-door. Super cool. This is right up your alley, but we'll talk about it next week.
Yeah, it's like an original one owner or two owner car with all kinds of documented history. It's really cool.
One of my favorites to come through the door. You actually drove this one today.
Yeah.
It's 87 Acadian.
Nicknamed
Kermit the Frog.
Kermit the Frog.
Just go look online and have a look at it.
Yeah, go
'cause
check out Kermit.
It's big and nasty, and it's cool.
It's like small and big at the same time.
Got to go on site.
Yeah.
just to go look at it. I just got wind that our 56 Chevy Post landed in Edmonton just about an hour ago.
And this is like what do we classify this one as? Resto mod?
Like resto mod,
You know, but so it's not an original 56. It's a
More of a-
copper color.
Kind of a custom resto mod.
One of those ones you can drive a lot.
Yep. With air conditioning.
Yep.
RS over there, wagon, T-Bird.
We get it all?
Oh, we got a 1977 Trans Am Y88, a real deal car.
Yes.
And that's also landed in Edmonton. We're going to pick them both up tomorrow.
That's already gotten some action. That's a fully gold Trans Am made for 3 months.
And it's more rare than the actual Bandit.
Yep.
The black Bandit. So,
But just as cool. So
we got all the history with the car. We'll find out more when it actually lands here, but keep your eyes on that one. The 72 Runner will be landing tomorrow in Alberta. We're going to pick that up on Sunday, I think, along with the 68 Mustang.
oh yeah.
And we still got our lead sled to pick up. And that's about it.
And lots on the way. So hope you enjoyed today. Just something a little bit different. Thought we'd check out what's going on over here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to always stay up to date. And otherwise, we'll catch you next time on Hot Rod Hangout.